Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this weekend. I am Daydrian and it's New Music Friday. Now dancehall artists Skeng and Skillibeng deliver hardcore dancehall lyrics on Nicki Minaj's Forward from Trini single off Pink Friday 2. The duo are the only Jamaican acts to be featured on the album. Pink Friday 2, which was released earlier today, marks Minaj's fifth studio album. Last month, the artist shared that the album is beyond anything she could imagine. Valiant delivers an early Christmas gift with a gift from me to you. The fast-rising dancehall artist shared in an Instagram post that the EP is a Christmas treat for his fans. The 6-track EP includes songs like Polygamy, Search, Budum, Heart Attack, Birkin, and Set For Me. This is Valiant's second EP for the year with 414, marking April 14, two great achievements in his life: the day his son was born and his career breakthrough with the viral slang, Kachi Atalai, and subsequent success. The 414 mixtape contains collaborations with Cranium, Chronic Law, and Serrani. Now, Trinidadian singer Patrice Roberts tackles mental illness with the release of her latest single, Anxiety. In an Instagram post this week, the singer penned, "My recent battle with anxiety has been an uphill battle, to say the least. If you're living through something that can be mostly tumultuous, then you would totally understand." Adding that she understands that some people may not grasp the extent of the illness and that living with anxiety has not been easy for her, but she continues to fight through it daily.
Somebody send me a sign, 'cause you know that I need it. Can't even come back to me, 'cause you know you're my healing. I said this soca is my therapy, my therapy. It take away all of my anxiety.
Now, thousands of well-wishers littered the streets of Dublin earlier today to pay their final respects to the late Irish singer Shane MacGowan. Musicians played some of his best-known songs and fans sang along as the horse-drawn carriage bearing his coffin made its way through the city. Irish President Michael D. Higgins was among the guests at the St. Mary of the Rosary Church where the funeral proceedings took place. Bono, Johnny Depp, and Nick Cave also paid their final respects to the artist. MacGowan was best known for leading the English Celtic punk group Pogues from 1982 until their breakup in 2014. In 1987, English singer Kirsty MacColl collaborated with the group for the Christmas song Fairy Tale of New York, which soared to number 2 on the UK chart and remains one of the best-loved Christmas songs in the UK. And E Prime understands that the track now holds the number 1 spot on the Irish charts following MacGowan's death. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.